being albino.
Have you ever wondered why some people and animals have white or very light-colored hair and skin and red or light-colored eyes? This is known as albinism, and today we're going to delve into what it really means. Albinism is a rare, non-contagious condition that is genetically inherited. It's a global phenomenon, occurring irrespective of ethnicity or gender, and it's more common than you might think. In the United States alone, estimates suggest that 1 out of every 20,000 individuals is affected by albinism. But what exactly is albinism? To put it simply, it's a condition that results from a significant reduction or complete absence of melanin, a pigment that gives color to our hair, skin, and eyes. You can think of melanin like the paint that adds color to a canvas. Without enough of this pigment, the canvas, in this case a person's hair, skin, and eyes, appears much lighter. This lack of melanin is caused by a mutation in one of several genes. These genes are responsible for the production and distribution of melanin in the body. When these genes don't function as they should, it results in albinism. It's important to note that albinism is not a disease or illness. It's simply a different way that some bodies produce and distribute melanin. People with albinism are just as healthy as those without, though they may face certain challenges related to their vision and susceptibility to sun damage due to the lack of melanin. So the next time you see someone with albinism or spot an albino animal, remember that it's not a disease or something to be feared. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of life and a reminder that we're all unique in our own ways, right down to our genes. Now that we have a basic understanding of what albinism is, let's explore how it occurs. So how does albinism occur? It all comes down to our genes. Albinism is a genetic condition that affects the body's production and distribution of melanin, the pigment responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. Now you might ask, how does this actually happen? Well, it's mainly due to changes or mutations in at least one of several specific genes. Each of us carries 2 copies of every gene, one from our mother and one from our father. The genes involved in albinism are responsible for making a protein called tyrosinase, which is crucial for the production of melanin. In individuals with albinism, 1 or more of these genes don't function properly due to mutations, leading to reduced or absent production of melanin. Here's the interesting part. For a child to be born with albinism, both parents must carry a copy of the faulty gene, even if they themselves do not have albinism. This is what we call an autosomal recessive inheritance pattern. It's like rolling a genetic dice. If both parents are carriers, there's a 1 in 4 chance in every pregnancy that the child will have albinism. But it's important to note that albinism is not a one-size-fits-all condition. There are different types of albinism determined by which specific gene is affected. Some types affect only the eyes, while others affect the skin, hair, and eyes. Each type has different variations in terms of pigmentation and vision. The science of albinism is a fascinating exploration into the intricate workings of our genes. It's a testament to the immense diversity and complexity of the human body, where even a small change in our genetic code can have such a profound effect on our appearance. Now that we've decoded the science behind albinism, let's discuss the challenges faced by those with the condition. Living with albinism presents unique challenges, both physically and socially. Let's understand these challenges. Albinism isn't just about having lighter skin, hair, and eye colors. It also brings about physical challenges that can significantly impact daily life. One of the most common issues is with vision. Albinism often causes nystagmus, which is a condition where the eyes move rapidly and uncontrollably. This can lead to blurred vision and difficulties with depth perception, making certain tasks more challenging. Now let's talk about the sun. While we all enjoy a sunny day, for people with albinism it brings an increased risk of sunburn and skin cancer. Their skin lacks melanin, which is the pigment that protects us from harmful UV rays. This means they have to be extra careful and take precautions like wearing sunscreen, protective clothing, and sunglasses whenever they're out in the sun. But the challenges of living with albinism don't stop at physical issues. There are also social obstacles to navigate. Misconceptions and stigma often surround albinism, leading to discrimination. People with albinism can face bullying, social exclusion, and even violence in some parts of the world. These social challenges can have a profound impact on their mental health and overall quality of life. Moreover, the misconception that albinism is a curse or a disease can lead to ostracization. It's crucial to understand that albinism is neither. It's a genetic condition that affects the production of melanin. People with albinism are just like anyone else, capable of living fulfilling lives despite the challenges they face. So, what can we do to help? The first step is understanding these challenges and spreading awareness. Knowledge is a powerful tool that can break down barriers and misconceptions. We need to challenge the stigma and foster a society where everyone, including those with albinism, is treated with respect and dignity. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards creating a more inclusive society for those with albinism. Albinism is a genetic condition that affects the production of melanin, leading to lighter skin, hair, and eye color. But it's so much more than that. We've ventured into the essence of albinism, unraveled the science behind it, and addressed the challenges faced by those living with this condition. It's an everyday reality for many, a reality that's often misunderstood and misrepresented. We've heard personal stories that give us a deeper perspective, stories of resilience and courage. These stories remind us of the importance of empathy, respect, and acceptance. Our society thrives on diversity, and albinism is just another facet of this beautiful mosaic. Let us all play our part in raising awareness against prejudice and discrimination. Let's support research and initiatives that aim to improve the quality of life for those with albinism. By understanding and spreading awareness about albinism, we can help create a more accepting and supportive society for those with the condition. Remember, everyone deserves respect and acceptance regardless of their physical appearance.